Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hope that you will be fine. Dear students, open your mathematics textbook at page number 235, exercise 9.1. Let us continue this exercise. Question number 9. Which is the greatest in each of the following? Part first, 2 by 3, 5 by 2. Question number 9, part first, 2 by 3, 5 by 2. Among these two rational numbers, which is the greater? For this, we make the LCM of 3 and 2, which is equal to 6. So 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. Now multiply 2 with this 2. 2 2s are 4, comma. Now divide 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. 3 into 5, 5 3s are 15. So 4, 15 by 6. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. So 4 is less than 15. Therefore 5 by 2 is greater. Now part third of this question. Minus 3 by 4, 2 by minus 3. Let us see which is the greater among these two rational numbers. First of all, we make the LCM of 4 and 3, which is equal to 12. Now 12 divided by this 4, 4 3s are 12. Now 3 multiplied with this 3, 3 3s are minus 9. 3 4s are 12. 4 into 2, which is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 is greater than minus 7. Therefore 2 by minus 3 is greater. Now part fifth of question number 9. Minus 3 2 by 7, minus 3 4 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. First of all, we can express this mixed fraction as improper fraction. So 3 7s are 21 plus 2 is 23 by 7. Here 3 5s are 15 plus 4 is equal to 19 by 5, minus 19 by 5. LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Now divide 35 by 7, which is equal to 5. Now 5 multiply by 23, which is equal to 115. So 35 divided by 5, which is equal to 7. Now 7 into minus 19, which is equal to minus 133. So minus 115 is greater than minus 133. Therefore minus 3 2 by 7 is greater. Now question number 10. Here is question number 10. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. Part first, minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Ascending order. Minus 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5 is less than minus 1 by 5. Now part second of this question. 1 by 3, minus 2 by 9, comma minus 4 by 3. First of all, we make their denominators same. So 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 into 3 by 3, which is equal to 3 by 9. Similarly, minus 2 by 9 is equal to minus 2 by 9 into 1 by 1, which is equal to minus 2 by 9. Also, minus 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 into 3 by 3, which is equal to minus 12 by 9. Now their denominators are same. Now ascending order, minus 12 by 9 is less than minus 2 by 9. Minus 2 by 9 is less than 3 by 9. Therefore, minus 4 by 3 is less than minus 2 by 9. Minus 2 by is less than 1 by 3.